The coding part in VB6 starts with a variable declaration. A variable in VB6 is a name that holds a value. Visual Basic 6 is a statically typed language, similar to C++, Java that supports all kinds of data types. The keywords inside square brackets are optional. Let us discuss each of these keywords briefly. With events, tells that var name is an object variable that responds to events by an ActiveX object. Var name is the name of the variable. Subscripts, use only when you are creating an array of variables or object variables. New, use new keywords when you create a new object. A new instance of the declared variable is created. Type, the type refers to the data type of the variable, it is not a keyword. Boolean. Long. VB6 supports the following data types: integer, currency, single, double, date, string, variable length, string, length, object, variant. The default type is variant, which takes value of any data type. For example, you can declare more than one variable at a time using the dim statement. Syntax. Syntax. Constants are values that we wish to keep fixed throughout the program. They are hard to track in a program, therefore VB6 allows you to declare all constants with a name and an optional type. The const keyword is used to declare constants. The scope in many programming languages is either a global scope or a local scope. We will list out the global scope and local scope for a variable in Visual Basic 6. Visual Basic 6 has 3 levels of scope. Module level with public, global. For more module level, global only to the module. Procedure level, local scope. Variables declared in the general section of the code editor using keyword public are visible in all forms and modules throughout the VB6 project. In the above example, we declare 2 variables as integers in the general section of Module 1. These integers will be available throughout the project and you can manipulate as and when necessary. The variable is declared under General section of Visual Basic Code Editor. The keywords dim, redim, static and private are used to declare the variables. In the example above, the form name is accounting and we have declared 2 variable using dim statement. The scope of these variables is limited to the form only. Each procedure in VB6 has its own variables. Those variables are local to the procedure, and cannot be used elsewhere. The keyword public cannot be used for procedures. In the example above, the variable number is local to the procedure form_load. This is because form_load procedure is by default a private procedure. This form assigns a value of 1003 to variable number when the form loads.